Life can be challenging. We all experience difficult times, and some of these experiences leave emotional scars that can be hard to heal. These scars, often from trauma, can impact our lives in profound ways, affecting our happiness, relationships, and overall well-being. They can make it difficult to move forward and find joy in everyday moments. But there is hope. There's a powerful technique that can help you heal. Emotional freedom techniques, or EFT, often called tapping. This method has been a beacon of light for many. EFT offers a path to freedom from the pain of the past. It's a gentle yet powerful technique that combines ancient wisdom with modern psychology, providing a holistic approach to healing. It helps you access and release the trapped negative emotions that hold you back, allowing you to move forward with a lighter heart and a clearer mind. Before you begin tapping, it's important to identify the specific issue you want to address. Sometimes the issue is obvious, like a recent stressful event or a long-held fear. Other times, the emotional baggage might be buried deeper, manifesting as anxiety, low self-esteem, or relationship problems. Take some time for introspection. What are the recurring negative thoughts or patterns in your life? What are the painful memories that resurface and trigger you? Don't judge yourself, simply observe. Remember, you don't have to tackle everything at once. Start with one specific issue that feels manageable. As you become more comfortable with EFT, you can gradually address deeper-seated traumas. The setup statement is a crucial part of EFT. It's about acknowledging the issue you're facing while extending compassion and acceptance to yourself. Tap on the karate chop point, side of the hand, while saying, "Even though I still feel hurt from my past situation, I deeply and completely accept myself." Even though I still feel hurt from my past situation, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I still feel hurt from my past situation, I deeply and completely accept myself. Tap on eyebrow. This pain from my past. Tap on side of the eye. I still feel hurt and betrayed. Tap on under the eye. This emotional wound is still with me. Tap on under the nose. I remember the hurt and disappointment. Tap on chin. These painful memories affect me. Tap on collarbone. I can't seem to let go of this pain. Tap on under the arm. I still feel the emotional scars. Tap on top of the head. This pain is still in my heart. Setup statement, tap on the karate chop point, side of the hand, while saying, "Even though it's hard to let go, I am open to healing and moving forward." Even though it's hard to let go, I am open to healing and moving forward. Even though it's hard to let go, I am open to healing and moving forward. Tap on eyebrow. I choose to release this pain. Tap on side of the eye. I am open to letting go of this hurt. Tap on under the eye. I am ready to heal these emotional wounds. Tap on under the nose. I deserve to move from this pain. Tap on chin. I choose to let go of these painful memories. Tap on collarbone. I am allowing myself to heal and move forward. Arm. I am ready to let go and find peace. Tap on top of the head. I choose healing and peace for myself. Repeat each round as needed until you feel a shift in your emotional state. Use a gentle, persistent tapping pressure on each point. Be patient with yourself. Emotional healing is a process and may take time. Feel free to adjust the wording of the statements and phrases to better fit your specific emotions and experiences. The goal is to address your feelings honestly and facilitate your healing journey. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination.